Hello, you never guess what I got through the other day. It was, well, it was this box, and you can see here, having a quick look at it, wasn't sure what was what, but I thought what it is very useful, and it's the sort of thing that you don't normally find just lying around. But I thought, point it out, because it turns out this is called a Pomodoro timer, and as you can see here, it's a 6-sided thing with 2 ends, and that's all that's in the box other than a USB-C connector, so it's the latest connections. The instructions are very small, so I'll put them up at the end as normal, but there's not a lot to them actually. As you can see here, it's quite a nice looking thing. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches long. You can see by my hand the actual size. But the beauty of it is that it's a timer that only times. You just turn it to the sides that you want. So setting it is so easy. A child can do it. In fact, a child can do it. 15 minutes, and it comes out 15 minutes. 3 minutes comes out 3 minutes. 5 minutes comes out 5 minutes. It just starts counting down from when you set it to that facet, that side, and it's quite neat in that respect. If you put it on its end so that it displays down, it times up instead of down, and it's rather neat. It's fuss-free, which is most important. So that's why it's very good for things like egg timing. If you're cooking and stuff, no mucky buttons to press and all the rest of it. Then it gets clever. There are buttons on here if you want to use them, and you can set for seconds and minutes. When time's up, it flashes and makes a noise, but you can turn the noise off, and so you can just have it flashing. So with the keep fit thing happening, this would be ideal for doing your timers on all the exercises and stuff, or just cooking the food afterwards. Up to you. This comes the manual, and you can see it's nice and clear, and it's simple. So, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you can find a use for it. There is a link in my description, and I'll catch you another time. Cheers.